Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor lighting, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from outdoor lighting, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor lighting from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Light 8-pack 7-inch LED Hardscape LED Outdoor Step Lights. Brighten up your outdoor spaces with the Leonlite 8-pack 7-inch LED Hardscape Landscape Step Lights, designed for both style and performance, emitting a soft 2700K white glow at just 4.5 watt. Each light delivers 310 lumens, with a 95-degree downward beam, eliminating glare while revealing true object colors with a high CRI of 90, perfect for lighting up steps, retaining walls, decks, or outdoor kitchens. These low-voltage 12-volt AC or DC fixtures are built tough with corrosion-resistant aluminum and stainless steel. With an IP65 waterproof rating and a working temperature range of -4°F to 104°F, they're made to endure all seasons. The rotatable light bars allow for flexible installation, making them ideal for a wide range of hardscape applications. ETL listed for safety, each light promises over 40,000 hours of reliable use and comes backed by a 24-month warranty. Whether you're enhancing curb appeal or upgrading outdoor safety, these modern LED lights are a brilliant, long-lasting solution. Number 2. Sunvie 7-inch Retaining Waterproof Outdoor Landscape Lighting for Patio Walls. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with the Sunvie 7-inch Retaining Wall Landscape Lights, designed to bring style, safety, and flexibility to patios, decks, and garden walls. These waterproof, low-voltage LED lights feature an adjustable 270-degree lighting direction, perfect for avoiding glare while highlighting steps, fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and masonry walls. Each 5-watt light emits a bright 500 lumens of warm 3000K soft white light with high CRI 90+ quality, delivering vivid illumination while consuming minimal energy. Built with die-cast aluminum housing and a stainless steel mounting plate, these IP65 waterproof lights are tough, corrosion-resistant, and built to last over 50,000 hours. Easy to install with included screws and wire connectors, they are DIY-friendly. Note: transformer and cable not included. Backed by Sunvie's 30-day money-back guarantee, 24-month warranty, and lifetime support, these lights combine performance and peace of mind. Sunvie is committed to making high-quality lighting affordable. Enhance your landscape with brilliance and confidence. Number 3. Teekuv 8-pack 7-inch RGB LED Hardscape Smart Retaining Waterproof Outdoor Lighting. Bring vibrant color and smart control to your outdoor space with the Teekuv 8-pack 7-inch RGB LED Smart Hardscape Lights. These low-voltage retaining wall lights feature 16 million color options, stepless brightness adjustment, and a wide color temperature range 2700K to 6500K via app or remote control. With 300 lumens per light and only 5-watt power usage, they deliver energy-efficient brilliance with a 45-degree glare-free beam and high CRI 90 for true color rendering. Built tough with stainless steel and aluminum, these IP65 waterproof, dust-proof lights thrive in rain, snow, or heat, from -4°F to 122°F. Each unit includes a 10-foot wire for easy DIY installation, 12-volt transformers not included. Pairing with the remote or app is simple with step-by-step instructions. Elevate your patio steps or walls with bold, customizable lighting. Teekuv brings your outdoor ambiance to life with smart, colorful precision. Number 4. Jkimk Solar Globe Lights Waterproof Outdoor Decorations for Patio. Light up your nights with the Jkimk Solar Globe Lights, the perfect waterproof outdoor decoration for your patio, garden, or yard. These beautifully painted glass solar ball lights feature a smart switch that automatically charges during the day and glows warmly at night. No need to fuss with timers or switches. Built with high-quality materials and reinforced ground stakes, they're easy to install for anyone, including kids and seniors. Unlike other solar lights, Jkimk includes 3 extra quality checks to prevent early dimming, backed by a 1-year guarantee for your peace of mind. The durable glass globe design 3.94 into 8.27 inches adds a stylish touch, while the stable solar performance ensures long-lasting glow through any season. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or just enjoying a quiet evening, these lights create a cozy, magical ambiance. Plus, Jkimk's responsive 24-hour customer service means you're always supported. Brighten up your outdoor space with charm and confidence. Go solar with Jkimk. Number 5. Solpex 16-pack Solar Deck Lights Waterproof LED for outdoor. Brighten up your outdoor space with the Solpex 16-pack Solar Deck Lights, a perfect blend of safety, style, and convenience. These waterproof LED lights emit a gentle, warm white glow that's ideal for lighting up fences, decks, stairs, patios, balconies, and more. Designed with a no-fuss automatic mode, they charge in just 4 to 5 hours of sunlight and turn on at dusk, off at dawn. No switch required. The compact size and easy screw-in installation make them great for any setup, while the durable ABS shell and quality solar panel ensure long-lasting use even in rain or snow. Whether you're enhancing your backyard ambiance or ensuring safer steps for family and guests, these solar-powered lights add both charm and function. Plus, Solpex customer support is always ready to help with any issues. Great as a gift for women or men, these lights are a thoughtful, energy-efficient way to elevate your outdoor living. Install them and enjoy a beautifully lit night. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.